Kamiti ya kungania mawoni megie uria Muikariri na mirutire ya borithi kugacirithio na iria iratongorio ni uria wari mucirithania munene David Maraga ni ambiriirie guthiururuka kaunti-ini itiganite. Umuthi Maraga na memba 23 mauma njera-ini ya Shimo La Tewa kaunti-ini ya maabithaa kuria hinyiriirie gwakwo kwa nyumba cia kiiriu cia maabithaa a njera, akiuga iria maabithaa maraikara kwa ihinda riri ni nguru muno.
Today we have gone, since morning we have gone around the Shimo La Tewa, looking at the residential houses for the officers. Some of them are require a lot to be done.
Maraga ni atugiririe tafarira cia waki mwena ucio iria uria wari President Uhuru Kenyatta abekire kuma mwaka wa 2013 na ona gukiri uguo Maraga hinyiriria thirikari ya President William Ruto ehuthire mugunda wa Shimo La Tewa wega niguo kugacirithia miikarire ya maabithaa borithi.
What it requires to be done is just to put money there and complete them. And this is fantastic. In fact, it's a very good initiative. On my part, I wish to commend President Kenyatta for coming up with this. All that requires is to put a few resources into the buildings, and they are completed. And the officers tell me that if more of these buildings would be put up, they would be very, very happy.
Hamwe na uguo Maraga niyendekithitie njera na ceceni cia borithi kuheo title deed niguo kuhitana na ahami a migunda ya muingi.
The good thing is that Shimo La Tewa has a huge piece of land, more than 800 acres, which if well planned, it will serve the government very well. We are very impressed. We have seen these 2 blocks that you have seen here. They have bed sitters, they have 2 bedrooms, they have 3 bedrooms. Looking at them, the plan is fantastic.
Munene wa borithi Japheth Koome ni eriga gutemania mendekithia make kuri kamiti ino maria marongoragiria kwagirithia mirutire ya wira ya maabithaa borithi.